Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a cat. Cats have 4 legs and a tail, and often when they walk, they hold their tails up high with a little kink on the top, like a hook. When cats sit down, they often wave their tails around, and their back legs are hidden under their furry bodies. Let's start by drawing a cat that's walking. We're going to draw the head first, and this is a semicircle. So draw a straight line on the top, then one line that goes all the way round to meet the other end of that line. A semicircle is half a circle. Then we're going to draw the cat's ears, which are triangles sitting on the top of that semicircle. So start on one end and draw up to a point and down. Start on the other end and go up to a point and down. 2 ears sticking up, listening out for mice maybe. Inside the semicircle head, we're going to draw 2 little circles for eyes, quite near the top, just underneath each of the ears. So one line that goes all the way around, and another line that goes all the way around. Now cats have very special eyes. Instead of a black dot in the middle, they have a black line. So let's draw a line in the middle, nice thick line, like that. And then you can draw a pointing down triangle for the nose. And at the bottom of that triangle, where the point is, you need to draw a little line down and then a smiley mouth, if it's a happy cat. If it's a sad cat, then you can do a mouth that goes down like that. Oh dear, this is a sad cat. And don't forget the whiskers. I'm going to draw 3 lines on each side of that nose to show the cat's got whiskers. Now we're going to draw the cat's body, and for this we'll need a lying down oval, and it's going to start just under the ear on this side. Or you could do it over here. You could have the body going out this way, or you could have the body coming out this way. But it needs to start just under the ear, go out and around and under the tummy, and then finish up just under the chin, in the middle of the face there. Let's try that with our pencils. We're going to go out along the cat's body, around its bottom, under its tummy, and up to its chin. Then we can draw the cat's 4 legs. So we need 2 standing up rectangles at the front and 2 standing up rectangles at the back of the cat. And on the bottom of each of those legs you can put a little oval for their paws. And cats have quite sharp claws, so let's do some little lines inside their paws to show where their claws are hiding under their fur. Do 3 little lines in each paw. And then for this special cat's tail. So on the back of the cat, around about here, on top of its bottom, not on the back, but right on the top here, we're going to draw a line that goes up and just over a little bit at the top, around and back down. They look a little bit like sausages, these types of tails. So we're going to go up and over a little bit, around and back down to make a sticking up hook tail. Let's draw a cat sitting down next. Draw a semicircle across the top, and then one line that goes down and under the chin and joins back up the other side. Draw 2 triangles starting on one end up to a point and down, and the other side up to a point and down. 2 eyes, little circles with lines in the middle. A pointing down triangle for the nose, a line that goes from the point, and let's make this cat happy. A smiley mouth and 3 whiskers. Now this cat is sitting up, so we need to put the oval shape at a different angle. So rather than it going out to the side, this body is going to go down to the ground. So we're going to start over here on the cat's cheek. And we're going to go down to the ground, along the bottom, and back up and curve over its shoulder to its other cheek. So it's not really an oval, this one. It's more like a very tall rainbow. It's closed at the bottom like an arch. See this arch shape? It's flat at the bottom and it goes up and over the rainbow and back down to the other side. But this bit here is hiding behind the cat's face. So we're just going to start on this side, go down, across the bottom, back to the top and join on the other cheek. We'll do the same kind of tail starting at the bottom. So creep out from the bottom, go up, up, up to about the shoulder height, over a little bit, around and down that sausage-shaped tail. We can't see the back legs, but we can see the front legs in this drawing. So we're going to use some lines for this. Starting at the bottom, draw one line up and another one next to it to show the cat's leg, with an oval on the bottom and 3 little lines for the claws. And you can do the same one on the other side. I wonder where these cats are going to live. Maybe they're pets that live in a house. And the grey one is not happy because somebody else lives in their house too.